You're once again welcome to this channel. So for a very long time, a lot of people have been hitting me up on how to withdraw their Crepe, and if possible, when XP hits a very profitable margin, they would want to withdraw. How they are going to go about it and stuff like that. So in this video, I'm quickly going to go straight to the point and show you how you can do this as simple as possible. So for me, or in the previous videos that I did, I used Trust Wallet. So I don't know the wallet you may be using, but I'm sure that the principle is going to be the same. Okay, the principle is going to be the same. So please do want to follow, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You can join my social media handles as well, and I've shared the links to my group in the description. You can go there, then you join us. So I use Trust Wallets, hence I'm going to teach you how to withdraw on Trust Wallet. So the very first thing you do is that you open your Trust Wallet. So as you open your Trust Wallet, you search, or you click on Crepe or Crepe. So here's my Crepe. So when you see where the Crepe is, you just click on it, then you swap. You click on swap actually. So remember when we were going to swap or buy Crepe, we actually bought BNB, brought it to Trust Wallet, then we swapped from BNB to Crepe or Crepe. So in the same manner, or it's like the vice versa of the whole procedure. So now you have a lot of Crepe. The reason why you cannot sell Crepe on Trust Wallet is that there are no merchants on Trust Wallet that you can directly sell the Crepe to them. I hope you get it. Trust Wallet is like your storehouse for your cryptocurrencies. But then we don't have merchants over there. At least per where I find myself. I'm in Ghana. I don't know where you are, but for most African countries or other countries elsewhere, there are no merchants. In fact, Trust Wallet doesn't have merchants on its interface or platform. So what we do is that you have to transfer your Crepe to your Binance or an exchanger, maybe Coinbase or OKX or Kraken or whatever. So you have to make sure that your Crepe gets to these exchanges. But here's the case that Crepe is also not listed on the exchanges. Yes, they can be on wallets, but they are not yet listed on exchanges. I learned it's on some exchanges, but then with Binance and some popular ones, we don't have Crepe over there. So what we do is that you now have to convert the Crepe to a particular cryptocurrency that is one listed on the exchanges, that when you are able to send it there, you can easily do the transaction or trade it in order to get your physical money. So we are choosing BNB because it's a network on which these transactions are functioning on. And I also want my viewers or listeners to be familiar with BNB Smart Chain project, because most cryptocurrencies are built on the BNB blockchain. Yes, that's why so you can actually convert the crypto to USDT on the BNB smart chain, but I want us to do it with BNB so that we become familiar with it. Because even on Binance you can actually transfer BNB to your wallet. Or if you want to buy any crypto on your Binance wallet, you have to get a BNB token or BNB crypto on your wallet before you can even do the swapping or transaction on your Binance wallet. You see, that's for the fee charging and stuff like that. So I have these are some of the reasons why I convert the crypto to BNB. So when you get here, you just convert. There is 25%, there is 50%, then max means you want to convert everything or withdraw everything. So you just withdraw to BNB, then you continue. So after, let's say if you are successful with the swapping of Crepe to BNB, you just open your BNB, You just open your BNB. I have BNB. Okay, you just open BNB. Then when we were going to buy the Crepe. Immediately we get here, we click on receive. Okay, in order to that's when we are transferring the BNB from Binance or exchanges to the Trust Wallet. You click on receive, meaning you are receiving the BNB on your Trust Wallet. But here's the case, and now we have a lot of BNB and we are now sending it to an exchange. So you click on send. You have to click on send. So when you click on send, you see that they will request for an address. They will request for an address. That's where you are sending the BNB. They will request for an address or a domain name. So meaning we have to go back to our Binance account. We have to go back to our Binance. Then we click on BNB. You click on BNB. Yeah, so when you click on BNB here, you can see add BNB. Okay, add BNB. So you just click on add. When you click on add, these are the options that will come. Select deposit method, on-chain deposit, and beneath it they've written deposit crypto from other exchanges or wallets to Binance. So that will be the very first option, and that will be the best option for what we are doing. So that's what we have to select, on-chain deposit. So you click on on-chain deposit. Now when you click on on-chain deposit, they will ask you to choose the network, and the network we are using is BNB Smart Chain BIP20. BIP20. That's what we are using. So you just click on it. You see they've given you a deposit address. So you just tap on the icon over the copy icon over there, just beside the deposit address. You just tap on it. So you've now copied it. Then you go back to your Trust Wallet. When you get to your Trust Wallet, you just paste it there. You just paste your BNB address over there. Then you type the I'm coming. So you send, then you paste. Good. So I've pasted the BNB address from Binance. You just paste and that's all. Then now I don't have any BNB in my account as of now. So if it was to be your end, you just type the BNB you want to actually send to your Binance account. When you click max, it means you are transferring everything. So you just click max. Okay, so I had about 0.00008 blah blah blah. Okay, so max everything. Then you click on next. When you click on next, you continue from here. And once you are done here, then it means your BNB will get to your Binance exchange. Your Binance exchange. Now, once you've gotten your BNB to your Binance exchange or your cryptocurrency exchange, the next thing you are doing is that you are going to now convert your BNB into physical money. Okay, you are going to convert it into physical money, and that's when you employ the services of the merchants. Okay, you employ the services of the merchants. So what you do is that when you get here, you, as we used to do, you just search. Okay, you, when you get to your home page, you just search P2P trading. Okay, P2P trading. So your P2P trading, once you click on your P2P trading, then we are now going to select the merchants. Okay, we are now going to select the merchants. Now you see, when we were going to buy USDT, we clicked on buy. So now that you have a lot of USDT or BNB or whatever, you can go to sell, and you see beneath the USDT, beneath the buy, sorry, there is USDT over there, and there is a small arrow down there. So what you do is that you just click on that arrow, then it is BNB that we want to now sell to the merchant. So you can just tap on BNB. Okay, good. So I'm in Ghana, so these are the merchants, and their limits and stuff. I've already explained all these things in my channel. You can go back and actually get access to them and stuff like that. So okay, now this is the buy section, but we have BNB and we want to sell the BNB. So you have to click on sell. So you are selling to the merchant. You are selling to the merchant. So yeah, these are the rates. They are buying one BNB for 14,000. The very first one is buying BNB from you at a rate of 14,211. That's for one BNB. Okay. So you just follow up with the transaction and stuff like that. But if this is confusing, then what you have to do is that when you get your BNB to your Binance, you click on assets, you click on spot, you click on the BNB. I think I don't have BNB. So let's assume my Ethereum here is BNB. So you click on Ethereum, sorry, BNB. You click on BNB. Don't click on Ethereum, click on BNB. Then you now convert your BNB to other crypto. So you click on you have to click on the convert now. So when you get to this interface, you are now going to convert your BNB to USDT. So once you are done doing the conversion, you just go back to the P2P trading, then then you follow up with the transaction with uh you follow up with the transaction with the merchant who will buy the USDT. So once you've switched or converted the BNB to USDT, you have to come back here, then you select USDT. Okay, then now you click on sell. Then voila, there are merchants here who are going to buy the USDT from you at their respective rates. So you just follow up with the merchant, and always remember that until they send you your money, you don't release your crypto. Until they send you your money, you don't release the USDT. Make sure that you have received the USDT on your Momo account or wherever the destination of the money is. Make sure you have received and confirmed before you release the crypto. And once you also receive the money, don't delay in releasing the crypto or your USDT or your BNB. I believe we get it. So this is simply how you go about with the exchange and stuff like that. So it applies to all Crepe, XP, and Doge coins and all those things. Okay, but especially those that are not yet listed on exchanges but are found in our wallets. This is how you go. You have to convert them into BNB, USDT, and stuff like that, just as I've explained here. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your patience and everything. So kindly forward it to someone who will want to know how to go about this thing. And please, I've been notifying, seeing that most of the questions that comes to me are related to videos I've already done. So please, anytime you want to know things about crypto, you can visit my page or my channel. The videos are there. Kindly find time and watch them. You'll be fine. And as I've been saying, please, yeah, now I'm crying. Why? Remember Prophet Bernard Nation. Remember him. Remember his church. Remember your family. Remember your friends. Remember people around you. If you are done remembering everyone, you can also remember me as well. God bless you for your time. Shalom.